So far, so good for Ron Andrew Cordova. Third rider to run for the 200 category. Time to beat here is 55.88. So far, so good for Cordova. Ayan, pabalik na. Mukhang kakayanin ng oras ni Albert Mendoza. Sa tingin ko, 34, 35 seconds now.